I just want to make this video real quick, guys, as I'm about to head out, but I wanted to give you guys an update. I am not in CYN yet. Watch my previous video, and I tell you guys what to wait for. This pattern right here is going to make a lot of people money if you just stay patient, okay? Let me show you guys real quick the daily chart here. We are coming into a big demand zone. This could make massive money. Now, it's impossible to get the exact bottom, but using this system, we can get really super duper close. First thing I see is we have not touched this EMA5 band in a very long time. So the very short-term dead cat bounce that I would see is to that EMA5. If you see that the EMA20 is at the top, we know this is a downtrend stock. Very easy to see that every pump's going to get shorted. You can see right in here we had this low band under this low band, and we made a massive move right up in here, making over 100% gain. This stock can easily do it, and I'll show you guys the data price range. We made a 343% move. Big freaking move right in here. So if you can stick out a little bit of the pain, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm clearly seeing a lower band getting touched. That meets one of my qualifications of a bottom reversal. Lower Keltner channel being touched. It is very hard to do that. And what's nice is that it did that in a manner. It wasn't just like one big gap down doing it. We have 7 days not touching the EMA5. Another thing, big thing. If you count the candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every price in the market's going to touch the EMA5. No matter how crappy it is, it will touch the EMA5. That's just how these stocks work, okay? So, haven't touched the EMA5 in 7 daily candles. We are touching the lower Keltner channel, and we have a low K value of 4.99 at this low stochastic oscillator down here. You can see the last time when it pumped big, it was a 3.5. It doesn't have to be exact science. Under 5 is good in my opinion, and you can see the massive move. The lower the K value it gets, the better it is. I love that stochastic oscillator. It rarely ever gets to like the 2 range. It will never go to 0, so it's a perfect indicator to say, how do I look to get precise entries? I like this stock a lot. I'm sorry if everyone got in early. Definitely join my Discord. I'm going to tell you guys what to look for. And then my last criteria that I always say is buy at the end of the day. It will save your butt a lot of the times because once sellers take control, they let it go down all throughout the day. If you buy it 5 minutes before the bell, it's a little trick of mine. I've seen it happen a lot of the times. You can get really precise entries because as you can see right in here, what happens is sellers, when they get advantage of people on this candle here, you can see it goes all throughout the day. Sure, there might be some little wick here, but we don't know the exact area. And this right here, buying it in the day is much better. Obviously, this did not meet my criteria as we're not touching the lower band, and we didn't have 7 daily candles away from the EMA5. Anything that don't touch the EMA5 in 7 daily candles is long. So I try to make the extreme motions for downtrend stocks. If you want to catch a bottom reversal, this is how you do it. This is how you get precise entries and not be worried about what's going to happen because we know the EMA5 is going to get hit as long as our average is way under that. And look at this gain to the EMA5. 186%. Dead cat bounce, perfect recipe for it. I could be totally wrong, but a lot of the times this is the strategy that I do, and it works really good. It is awesome. This is one of the top stocks on my screener that is down 37%. So you better believe it. A lot of people are eyeing this thing. They're probably buying every dip. Only buy one time every day. So if you watch my videos for trading downtrend stocks, watch how to properly accumulate reversals. If I'm trading a downtrend stock, EMA20 is at the top, it's impossible to get to the very bottom. We use these criterias in how we can look to add, during the end of the day. And you can get really good averages doing this and have a specific amount of money you want to put into this. This is a sub 10 cent penny stock. It's a little riskier than, it's a lot riskier actually. And we know they're going to have to do an RS eventually, but a lot of the times they're going to pump it up before they do that. You don't want to get into this when it starts pumping. So this is how I'm going to trade it. I hope you guys found this video very informative. And as always, if you want to get the real-time alerts, know when I get in, know when I exit, join the premium Discord. It is not going to cost you guys a lot. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. And when you come in, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts right here, and you get access for this promo video. As I know a lot of people are hurting on CYN, this promotional video you can get in for an all-time low cost, my cheapest ever, for 12 bucks a month, and that would be a permanent discount. And as long as you stay in the Discord, it will never go up. And for newer members, I will probably not do this promotion, as I'm looking to upsize it, because a lot of these alerts, a lot of this system, this actually is making bank. And as I've been improvising it, this is the best way to how to trade bottom reversals. You're not going to get a lot of alerts doing this. That's why I have a trading with the trend strategy. This is trading against the trend. Trading against this trend is always more riskier, but you can make massive moves. Expect 100% pump. I think it's going to happen after this day ends. Usually a lot of the times it's after hours pre-market, you see the sellers declining, the algos stop working, and then it just starts ripping up. So this is what I'm going to do. 94 million volume today, lots of sell volume, but we could expect to see this sell volume dying out here. So let's see what this does. So look at your 5-minute chart here. You can really expect to, like, when it gets to be, I'm in Eastern, so 350, 355, expect to put some orders in. And it's okay if it pumps a little. It could be at 8 cents. That's where I would look to buy. It doesn't have to be perfect. Wherever it's at, that's what I'm going to buy, because as you can see, the chart looks beautiful here in my eyes, according to bottom reversal bounce. And that's what I love to do with this system here. If you're patient, you can make a lot of money. The K can have a little bit of work. It's at 5.12. So if it does go down the next day, I'm totally fine with it. I'm going to put some more accumulation in on this. Like I said, it's impossible to get the exact bottom, but I know for sure that my average is going to be under the EMA 5. All stocks touch it in an orderly fashion. Anything longer than 7 days is long. So keep that in mind. All right, guys, if you want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below, YouTube comments below, hit the day trade alerts. You'll get access to subscribe for only 12 bucks for this video only. And if you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee, $11.99. That's it. And you're going to learn 2 good strategies. If you thought this strategy is good, wait till you learn my day trading strategy and how you can make money every day, no matter how big your account is or small. We can almost double it every month, and that's the purpose of my day trading. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. This is my analysis on CYN. I am bullish, and today I will be buying it, and that's my I'll make a video down the road, but this is calling it before it pumps. A lot of people like to call it when after it pumps. I'm making a video before it pumps. So, and like always, swing trade alerts right here. I gave you guys a heads up saying I'm going to take a shot at CYN end of day. This is a downtrend stock and extremely risky. It's a sub 10-cent penny. So I'm going to accumulate it once a day till it gets near EMA 5. My entry is end of day. Like I've been telling everyone, be patient and you'll make a lot of money with this stock. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and let's see what this puppy does. Peace out.